Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's essential for many newcomers to the US, finding the best credit cards for immigrants with no credit history. Starting your credit journey in a new country can feel intimidating, especially when traditional credit history is missing, but don't worry, there are options designed specifically for people in your situation. In this video, we'll explore different types of credit cards available for immigrants, discuss their pros and cons, and provide actionable tips on how to apply and use them responsibly to build your credit. Let's get started. As an immigrant, you might find that your financial history from your home country doesn't transfer over to the US credit system. This can make it challenging to get approved for traditional credit cards. Lenders rely on a credit score built from past financial behavior, so if you're just starting out, you're essentially starting with a blank slate. However, this isn't a dead end. It's simply an opportunity to build your credit from the ground up. Today, I'll introduce you to credit card options specifically tailored for immigrants with little or no credit history. Secure credit cards are one of the most popular options for those with no credit history. With these cards, security deposit required. You provide a refundable deposit, which usually becomes your credit limit. Credit building, using the card responsibly, making small purchases, and paying off your balance on time helps build your credit profile. Pros: easier to get approved since the deposit minimizes the lender's risk. Helps you build or rebuild your credit quickly with regular use. Requires an upfront deposit. Often comes with lower credit limits and sometimes fewer rewards compared to unsecured cards. Popular options include cards from Discover, Capital One Secured, and Open Sky. These are excellent starting points to build your credit. For young immigrants or those new to credit, student and starter credit cards can be a great choice. These cards are designed for people who have limited or no credit history. Lower credit requirements. They're tailored for beginners, often with more lenient eligibility criteria. Rewards and benefits. Many offer rewards for everyday spending, which can be a nice bonus as you start your credit journey. Examples include the Discover IT R20 Cashback Card or the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. Even if you're not a student, these starter cards can be a stepping stone toward more premium credit options in the future. Many immigrants don't have a social security number, but they may have an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN. Some credit card issuers offer ITIN-friendly credit cards. Application flexibility. You can apply using your ITIN instead of a social security number. Credit building. These cards help you establish credit in the US financial system, even if your credit history starts from scratch. Check with banks or local credit unions for ITIN-based credit card options. They can be incredibly helpful as you begin building your credit. Now that we've covered the types of credit cards available, let's discuss how to apply. Gather required documents. You might need identification, passport, visa, proof of address, and your ITIN if applicable. Research and compare offers. Look at the features, fees, and benefits of each card to find the one that best suits your needs. Fill out the application. Many issuers allow you to apply online. Be honest and accurate with your information. Submit and wait for approval. Approval may take a few days. If approved, use your card responsibly to start building credit. Remember, each successful application and responsible use of your card is a building block for your credit history. Once you've received your credit card, using it wisely is essential to building a positive credit history. Pay on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders so you never miss a due date. On-time payments are critical to improving your credit score. Keep your utilization low. Try to use no more than 30% of your available credit. For example, if your limit is $500, aim to keep your balance under $150. Monitor your statements. Regularly review your statements for any errors or unauthorized charges. Use the card for planned purchases. Avoid impulsive spending. Use your card only when it fits within your budget. Gradually build your credit. Over time, responsible use will lead to higher credit scores, which can help you qualify for better unsecured cards. Let me share a couple of real-life examples. Example 1, Maria's Journey. Maria arrived in the U.S. with no credit history. She started with a secured credit card by placing a small deposit, by using the card for everyday purchases like groceries and transportation, and paying off her balance in full each month. She slowly built a solid credit record. After a year, she qualified for a starter card with better rewards and higher limits. Example 2, Jamal's experience. Jamal, a young immigrant, opted for an ITIN-friendly credit card. Despite having no prior credit history, he managed to secure a card by providing his ITIN and proof of income. Jamal used the card sparingly, paid his bills on time, and kept his utilization low. Within 18 months, his credit score improved enough that he was able to upgrade to an unsecured credit card with enhanced benefits. These stories illustrate that starting small, using your card responsibly, and gradually building your credit can lead to significant financial opportunities. Here are some frequently asked questions I often receive. Q, how much deposit do I need for a secured card? Deposits can range from $200 to $500, depending on the card. The deposit usually becomes your credit limit. Q, can I use a secured card like a regular card? A, yes, once approved, you can use it for purchases, just like any other credit card. Just remember to pay off your balance in full each month. Q, how long does it take to build credit? A, with responsible use, you can start seeing improvements in 6 to 12 months. It depends on your spending habits and payment consistency. Q, what if I already have a credit card from my home country? Unfortunately, U.S. lenders typically don't consider foreign credit history. Building credit here will require starting fresh, but over time, you can establish a strong credit profile. Let's recap the key points. Know your options. Secure a card, student/starter card, or ITIN-friendly card. Each is designed for building credit from scratch. Application tips. Gather your documents, compare offers, and apply online or in person. Use responsibly, always pay on time, keep your balance low, and monitor your account regularly. Real-life success. Small steps, when used consistently, lead to significant improvements. Stay informed. Keep learning about personal finance and credit building to make the most of your opportunities. These strategies will set you on a strong path toward establishing a healthy credit history and achieving your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide on the best credit cards for immigrants with no credit history. I hope you now feel more empowered to start your credit journey in the U.S. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these insights. I'd love to hear your experiences, questions, or any tips you have in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community together. Remember, every big journey starts with a single step. With responsible use and smart choices, you can build the strong credit history you need for a bright financial future. Until next time, take care and keep moving forward.